Would you condemn the acts of violence? Some ambulances were burnt as well. It's not just the military or buildings linked to the military and army that were attacked.
This is my country. This is my army. These are my people. 40 people died, lost their lives. These are our people. How can anyone not condemn what happened? My worry is that unless lessons are learned, this brute force, when this number one guy, the head of the army, he's so powerful, and if you are holding this big hammer, everything appears to you like a nail. So you keep hammering people thinking that this is going to solve the problems. Clearly it's not. This is going to get worse. Unless there is some sense, and I doubt if there is any sense in the army chief right now, because he's so petrified that if I win the elections, he's petrified, I'll denotify him. All this is happening because of this.
Right now it seems as if it's an existential fight between you and the military leadership that has dominated Pakistan's political life for practically all of its existence, either directly or indirectly. And you are standing up against them, and there's not room in the country for the two of you.
Just to correct you, military leadership means one man, the army chief. It's a disciplined army. Whatever the army chief wants happens. The orders go down, and we take pride in the fact that we have a disciplined army. Problem is, if you have a man up there who, in order to preserve himself, is dismantling our democracy, our constitution, fundamental rights, he's basically dismantling the future of this country to protect himself. And I've assured him, I said, look, I won't remove you. Don't worry, if I come to power, I won't remove you. But there's some paranoia there, and this bizarre thing is happening. And by the way, it's not everyone knows what the situation is.
Your critics, and perhaps even the army chief, your critics would say perhaps it's you who's willing to burn down the country in order to come back to power.
In my 27 years of politics, tell me one incident where I've incited violence. Because we want elections, every time I have told all my party members, look, stay calm.